Taiwan's health minister made headlines when he broke down in tears Tuesday night over the coronavirus outbreak. In a rare moment of emotion, Minister Chen Shizhong cried as he announced Taiwan's 11th case of the coronavirus. This 11th case is a Taiwanese man who had been stranded in Wuhan for weeks. Chen said doctors would do everything they could to save the patient.
All of us, upon receiving the result, we were so dismayed. But after all, that was the main point of bringing them back.
Late Tuesday, Taiwan announced its 11th case of coronavirus. The head of the Central Epidemic Command Center appeared in low spirits. He pleaded for overworked medical professionals to muster the energy needed to save the patient.
We wanted to prevent patients from having to stay in Wuhan, where the healthcare situation is not as good and where they're very likely to lose their precious lives. We want our medical community to do its utmost to help.
While speaking, Chen choked up and fought back tears before wiping them with a tissue given to him. His distress met a flood of encouraging comments from those watching on the live stream. A flight carrying 247 Taiwanese from Wuhan had arrived at 11:40 Monday night. Chen had pulled on protective clothing and a mask to meet them at the airport and oversee the transit to quarantine. At 6 a.m., he ran an inspection of a quarantine center in central Taiwan before taking questions at two press conferences, one in the morning and one in the afternoon. Late Tuesday evening, he announced the latest confirmed case at a third news conference. All told, the minister had been on duty for at least 24 hours straight.
I am sorry for losing control of my emotions. It is just that we all feel that all of us did everything in our power.
When speaking about the latest coronavirus case, the minister broke down twice, and he praised his personnel for their tireless work. Taiwanese internet users have responded with sympathy. On the health ministry's social media page, comments of support have poured in for the minister. One internet user photoshopped pajamas on Chen's image and launched a social media campaign where commenters reminded the minister to get some sleep.
I'm stepping into the role of minister with caution and trepidation. I am taking the baton from Minister Lin, and so his policies will continue, and we will strive for stability with our personnel.
Chen, who took office in February 2017, is known for an unassuming nature that's given him the nickname Silent Minister. A dentist by training, he was questioned about his ability to lead the health ministry and its annual budget of 700 billion NT. Over the years, he's proven himself in a post with a notoriously low retention rate. Chen has now surpassed Jiang Binghuang to become Taiwan's longest-serving health minister in history.
I would rather die in a fight than due to depression. It is my hope that when I step down without regrets.
Amid China's coronavirus outbreak, Chen has been hailed for rising to the moment and for selfless leadership in a time of crisis.